Oh, when we go pick up the bees?
Yeah.
They're gonna be angry. We're gonna have 3 nukes in this car.
In this car?
In this car.
Where?
Well, back in the back, but
I need a bee chariot.
this is the bee chariot.
It's like a horse trailer for bees.
Better sell more honey.
Well, what's it gonna call? More honey? More honey? You want some more honey? More honey? If your last name was Moore, that would be funny. More honey.
Yeah, but it's not.
So we're gonna put these bees in here.
So we're gonna have 3 nukes. Oh, for our, what's the trail called?
Which one? Cal Haven Trail.
Cal Haven Trail.
So South Haven, Kalamazoo, the trail, Cal Haven Trail.
Right.
He's not from around here.
Not from these parts. But we're gonna have a bee yard near the Cal Haven Trail. So some bees are going there, and then we have some bees going to Bloomingdale in that bee yard.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're heading all the way up to almost to
What's up, Bloomingdale? Is that where things are gonna bloom in the dale?
See, this video would be great, except you keep doing these little jokes there, like.
I don't know. I always thought the places that were named Dale, never to live in them. Oildale.
What?
No,
nobody.
Anything named Dale. There was a Dale outside of Modesto.
All you Dales.
There's a Dale outside of Bakersfield.
That's
Don't live
Riverdale.
there.
That's Riverdale.
No, that's not Riverdale. Riverdale is where Archie and Veronica are from.
Wow. It's too early. Too early for your comedic wit.
How many nukes are we getting today?
3.
And one's going to Cal Haven, 2 are going to Bloomingdale.
Right.
And then, how many more nukes do we have on order?
We're gonna need 5 more.
Is it too late to keep getting nukes in the season? Or we'll just need more bees in the nukes by then? Because we'll just get more food.
Kind of both. We're still okay to get nukes right now, but the longer we wait, the less opportunity there is to pull any honey at all.
We'll get more honey? Okay, the serious though.
I am serious. You're the one who needs to go on
ADD
like,
medicine?
well, that and or the comedy store.
You know, I'm not even gonna go there. I'm not even gonna go there. All I'm saying is, okay, now that we're getting these nukes,
Yeah.
but your nuke
Bruce Lee.
isn't even in a nuke box anymore. It's in a hive. So we're actually going to get a hive. Technically, right? Or literally getting a hive.
We're not. No.
He moved it into a hive though. It was
back
too big.
into the hive, which means there's going to be
More honey.
more bees now.
More bees.
It's too early. I didn't take enough meds.
Who are we getting our bees from today? Who are we getting our bees
You're the
from
one
today?
that has ADHD, and I'm the one taking the meds for it. I don't know what's going on.
Who are we getting our bees from today?
From our good friend John. And we're going up just past Grand Rapids. It's about a 45-minute drive.
How many nukes does he have? Like lots, huh?
Nukes or hives?
How many? Both.
Nukes come from hives.
I know, but
I don't
he
know
has
how many
hives
he
in
has,
his hive
but-
yard, and then he had nukes this year. What do you have? Like 50 nukes?
We have like 20. I don't even know how much he's got left. He may not have any more nukes, and I might have to source it from somebody else.
Mm-hmm. Or swarm trap.
Swarm season's over.
Darn it. I missed swarm season.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we're off on our adventure. This is what happens when you're transferring bees in the back of your car and they figure out how to escape.
English?
How to escape. 101. Be a bee in an overpacked nuke box.
They're not overpacked, they're perfectly packed.
They're super packed. This one got stuck in here and he's still trying to come out.
Grab the smoke.
Yeah, I got it. making sure you're
Smoke
good.
me out.
Yeah.
You want to hear him, Meryl?
Oh, they're angry.
A bee hum
Yeah.
in the beehive.
Okay.
And they're gonna be super unhappy.
Excited for your bees, Dad? Yeah?
Right here's what the radar shows. Shows big white swaths and clearing.
It's not working. Do you want to install these? You have the veil on.
Sure.
All right. I'll walk you through it. So, Adra's going to install a nuke.
An angry nuke.
They're not angry. Okay, so you're going to want to pull the tape off.
That's why they're coming out the top.
You ready? Should I turn it towards them?
No. You're going to actually, once you peel that off.
Ready?
Okay. Now, take the lever on top. Walk in there.
Hold on. Give me a second.
Give who a second?
The bees.
We got to go while it's not raining.
Okay.
So that lever, and don't flick bees around. Yeah, and now pull that.
Ready?
Is there one on the back?
Yes.
Undo that one.
Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna lift slowly. Let me. Okay, now there's bees on the top. Don't be afraid of the bees.
I'm not afraid of the bees. I'm
Okay,
stuck on
but we
it.
want to make sure that we don't have the queen up there. Make sure you don't have the queen up there. Look at all the bees.
Do you have a bee brush?
No, you can just set it. You can set it down as long as.
But there's bees right here. I'm gonna give them a second to move because I don't have a bee brush. Okay.
Okay, and make sure the queen is not inside that box.
I didn't see the queen.
Here's a queen excluder, but there has a gap. That's why I want to make sure.
But I didn't see a queen.
Okay. Now you got to take the queen excluder off.
No babies.
And you can shake it into the box.
Oh, we're stuck. Don't dive bomb me.
Right here.
I'm trying, honey. It's stuck on that tape.
Okay, shake them in there.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
I said hold on, honey.
Okay. Here, have some smoke. Gotta go get a hive tool.
Come on, guys. I'm not your enemy. I'm your friend.
Don't smoke you, smoke them. Let me see the smoker. All right. So now go in the. What are you doing?
Okay.
Are you nervous?
No.
Are you nervous?
I just don't feel like I was prepared to open the nukes, but you told me to do it, so here
So
I am.
you gotta flip it to the J.
Flip it to the J. Sorry.
It's gonna be an 8 pound. I'm trying to give it equal spacing. They have a tool that I actually need to give it to do that. Give it some even spacing.
See, Dad, this was the hive we were originally going to give you, and then we thought they were escaping out of a different one.
You need to grab that.
Give that to Dad.
You want to just focus on her?
Oh, there's a lot of them on the bottom. There's a lot on the bottom. Is he inside? Is she inside?
She just came out.
Okay. Uh-oh. You want me to pull your drawstring?
Oh. That's a drone right there.
Ooh.
Blocked my leg.
Ah!
Got me.
Oh, no.
Got me.
Oh, no, honey.
Oh, that got me.
We need drawstring pants for you.
Okay. Ow!
I'll give them a second. This one just came out.
Oh, that got me good.
Well, you got one right there on your hoodie. She's about to come inside. Okay.
You know, you can always go like that.
I don't have a bee brush.
This one. You get stung because of you.
You have a bee suit right in the car.
Well, I don't know if this installation went the way it's supposed to go, but
First year beekeepers. No, this is my first nuke. Well, I mean, I've been there when other ones were, but not. I've never done this part.
yeah.
And this part while it's almost raining.
That one got squished halfway.
Now you leave that there for any extraneous ones
What's that?
They'll eventually go down there where the pheromones
with
are
the
at.
queen.
Come on, Lone Rangers. There's the other hive tool. done.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry you got stung, honey. I'll be better. They're still trying to go back into that home.
But the queen is in there. And just in time. So they'll come out.
So once they're all empty, then we'll just go ahead and take the nuke back to...
Yeah, I'll just leave that overnight. Whatever bees are there. Whatever bees survive out here.
You want it to continue?
No. I don't want to see this hot mess.
I love it, honey.
You love it.
You can learn to do it.
You love it. You love it because you have your veil on.
There's a whole bee suit in the car. I could have worn the whole bee suit and I would have been
It was
way...
more important to get them in before the rain kept coming.
I know.
But thanks for setting me up to get stung.
My legs are knotting up.
Well, I think Brian's gonna fire me. Am I fired, honey?
I gotta see how big that finger welt is gonna be first.
I might have gotten fired from helping put this in. We were as not prepared as we could have been because the bees started getting out while we were in the car, and we got to the location just in time to pull them out before the whole car filled with bees. So Brian didn't get a chance to get his bee suit on, but he gave me the veal because he loves me, and he took one to the thigh. He's not very happy. But the bees are in. 2 more to go. In the rain. We're off.